I just got back from a little bit of a photo walk and figured, well, let's go for a bike ride. So it's -3, feels like -13. It is gusting wind, horrendously bad. See, I live in a neighborhood called the Pipe, which literally translates to the pipe because all the streets are very, very narrow. Well, that just means that the wind just funnels. We got, I would say, about 4 or 5 centimeters of snow, so that's about 2 inches. But it's drifting and gusting and everything like that. But I'm still going to go ahead and take the bike out for a little bit of a ride, just to do it. Yeah, I love to say this is probably one of the stupidest things I've ever done, but I don't even know that it makes the top 10. Remind me sometime and I'll tell you the story of when me and 20 of my friends rode sport bikes, motorcycles through 6 inches of snow. But so right now I've got the GoPro mounted, and yeah, let's head out for a bike ride. I don't have any type of special bike that I'm taking out. I'm literally taking out my trusty single speed that I've had for years. It's not really set up for the snow. It's set up for kind of going fast through the city. So fortunately it's got a fairly narrow front tire. It's got a big fat rear tire, fat as I could, but it's got like next to no tread. I did drop the air pressure a little bit in hopes that it'll get a little bit more grip. But yeah, that's it. I don't know how this is gonna go. So fuck it, let's go. Yeah, that was interesting. It's the wind. I mean, obviously the snow is really, really rough. If you take any weight off the rear tire, they just start spinning. But it was still fun. I'm really happy that I did it. The bike, on the other hand, is, I mean, the bike's gonna need to thaw out a little bit. Braking was next to nothing. If you hit the brakes, they just didn't work. They were covered in snow and stuff like that. And if you drag the rear brake to kind of dry it out and then hit it, the back tire would just lock up and you would slide everywhere. Yeah, but still, I would do it again in a heartbeat. Thanks for watching. We'll see you the next time I go out for a ride.